Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aditi here. I'm so glad to be joining with you guys in another brand new video. Today's video, I got some amazing finds online. These are the best pieces I actually came across online in the recent times. These are the must-try styles that are really cute, comfortable, and affordable for all girls out there. So having said that, let's get started. The first clothing that I got online is this beautiful clothing. You guys know I actually turned my wardrobe into complete dress wardrobe. I just moved the jeans because I'm not actually wearing jeans anymore. I really want to be comfortable. On that note, I got this first clothing online and I just love it a lot. So this is basically a full-on tropical print pant. It looks so gorgeous. The colors are really great. It's exactly how the pant looks. It's a complete culottes pant, or like a wide pant, wide leg pant, that's what you can call. And it's made of cotton. It's a very thick material, and the best part is it has got an elastic at the back. It just stretches up, and front it is a normal pant, and it has a tie-up detailing as well. Now, and it also has two pockets on the front. So this is exactly how the pant looks. It's a very gorgeous pant. You can actually wear it up with any of these color tops on the pant, or you can actually go in with a plain white or a black top for all the attention, since it's all printed. And this is a very comfortable pant. It's just gorgeous. The way it fits on me is amazing, and yeah, it feels really comfortable to walk around, sit and squat and do all sorts of things. I really feel comfortable. I do not like anything holding my thighs or knees, especially. This one I got it off from the brand Max, and it's from Amazon. I just got it online, and the original price of this is about 8.99 rupees, you guys. And I think 8.99 is quite a good deal, because considering the quality of the material, the thickness of the material, and the detailing of it, like the elastic and all of it, I think it's a good deal. But you can actually get it on for sale also, and I got it for 500 rupees on a sale. But yeah, I think it's a really great pant to add it if you are more of like me, quirky pants and loose comfortable fit pants. At the same time, it looks gorgeous on the structure and not very wide or loose. This is a great thing that you can go in for. I just like it. So nowadays I'm more into wide leg jeans and wide leg pants, or boyfriend jeans, or full on ripped boyfriend jeans, or culottes or something like that. That's kind of my style, more than the skinny fit high waist jeans. I've just moved on from that style. It's a gorgeous color. It has all this beautiful mustard colors and greens and all of it. It's just a really great color. I just like it a lot. The next stuff that I picked up from online is this cute little wallet, you guys. It's a very gorgeous wallet. I just love the color of it. If you're following me for quite a while, you guys know I just love anything yellow, anything neon, anything yellow colors is my favorite. Yellow's gotta be my favorite. This is almost pretty much an yellow color, and I just like the vibrant color of this wallet. It's again a small wallet. It's really cute. Now it has zip around details all over, and when you open it, it has this bright yellow colored thing inside, and it has 4 different card slots. You can open and keep a card here, and also you can keep a card here as well. And it comes with a coin pouch, which is exactly what I like, because nowadays I go and buy my groceries all by myself, so I need to put a change, and this is where the main cash goes. So I really love this wallet. It's a really cute and a quirky wallet. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I would have preferred a button detailing because it's more easier to open and all of that than a zip, but then the zip is nevertheless, it's very amazing, you guys. I just totally like the model of it. The color especially was attracted me a lot, and also it's very slim and small. It just fits perfectly into my sling bag or any of that, and I just like the coin pouch of it. Now this wallet is gorgeous. You can actually get it for, it's a very affordable wallet, you guys. You don't get any wallet for under 700 rupees, 800 rupees decent nowadays, especially in sale. But this wallet was just for about 499 rupees online. I got it for 479 rupees. I got 20 rupees off as well. This is a very gorgeous wallet. I just love the color of it. It's my favorite color, and that's why I got it. They also have another color in a pink or peach color, peach or orange color or pink color. I don't know exactly the color, but they also have it another one in a neon color. It's a cute little wallet. It's got a simple detailing, no brand anything mentioned on it. It's a very good thick material, and the zip quality is also pretty good. The next gorgeous and a very beautiful outfit that I got is this beautiful dress. It's a very unique color because I don't have anything in this color. It's like a spaghetti strap dress, and this is exactly how it looks. It has all this embroidered beautiful detailing on it, like a very decent and a very rich look detailing on it. It doesn't look cheap at all with any kind of mirror work or anything, because I'm not a fan of that. But yeah, it's a very beautiful thing, and it has an elastic at the back as well. So it has elastic at the back, so it actually stretches out. But I got it in a size yes, extra small actually fits me perfectly well. But then I don't like this elastic actually holding on to my body, so I went ahead and I got an S size, so that the elastic doesn't have to stretch at all. So it just fits on my body just like that. It doesn't have to stretch up like that at all. That's my kind of preference. And it also has got this detailing, embroidered detailing of this beautiful little flowers all throughout the dress. And in the end, it has this ruffle detailing on it. If you can see, it has a ruffle detailing on the dress. It just gives a very beautiful flare up on the bottom. So it's a very gorgeous dress. The material is very thick. It doesn't feel cheap at all by any means, but it is very transparent. So you need to wear something underneath to wear this dress. So if you exactly want to know what exactly you have to wear under the transparent dresses, I'm gonna link my video down below. You can just check that out. I have given options on what you can actually wear underneath all this transparent clothing. That are very comfortable, that are very affordable. I just love the model of it a lot. It was originally for like 1,199 rupees, you guys. It's a single piece dress and it covers them completely. You don't even have to wear anything, right? You just wear it on, that's it, your whole outfit is done. So I think for that this price is really good, but if you can get it at a sale price, it would be really great. Yeah, I got it on sale. It's a very comfortable piece to own, and if you're not comfortable wearing a thin strap on the top, you can actually wear a black color t-shirt or a similar color t-shirt underneath, or you can put it a jacket. There are multiple ways you can style this up, but I prefer wearing it just like that, and I just love the model, the way it looks on me. These styles are really unique, really modern, really comfortable. They are really affordable and cute looking. I hope you liked all the cute styles that I showed in today's video. Let me know if you also think they are really cute and comfortable as well on the body. I'm going to link all of these clothing down below for you to check them out as well. So I like this beautiful wallet and this beautiful dress and the pant that I'm currently wearing. These are all the best things that I picked up. I just love all three pieces of it, and nowadays I'm very keen on buying the things only that I'm actually going to be wearing, and not like, you know, keeping it in the cupboard and probably later on giving it to you guys when you girls ask me. I'm not doing any of that anymore. So I'm really particular on what exactly I buy and what exactly I don't buy. So these are all the amazing clothing that I got online. I'm going to link them all down below for you guys. So if you're interested in any of these three pieces, you can actually check them down below and you can get it for yourself as well. This is the style that I'm actually evolving into, from high-waist jeans, ripped jeans and crop tops to actually loose baggy fit pants or comfortable dresses or boyfriend jeans that are really comfortable on my thighs. These are the style that I'm actually going for. So let me know if you like my style, or you want me to tweak it a little more bit that wearable for everybody. I'd be happy to know from you guys. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll catch you again very shortly with a brand new video. Until then, it's your girl Aditi signing off. Take care. Bye-bye. And if you want to talk with me on a personal level, feel free to DM me on my Instagram at Aditi Iyer. I'll just get back to you. Thank you so much for staying around, you guys.